Future trends in logistics and supply chain management. The logistics and supply chain industry constantly evolves and adapts to new trends and technologies. Some of the current and future trends in this field include automation. With technological advancements, there is a growing trend towards automation in logistics processes. This includes using robots, drones, and autonomous vehicles to streamline operations and improve efficiency. Real-time tracking and visibility. Using real-time tracking and visibility technologies like RFID and GPS gives businesses better control of their supply chain. This enables them to track shipments in real time, identify potential issues, and make proactive decisions to improve efficiency. Sustainable practices. There is a growing emphasis on sustainability in logistics and supply chain management. This includes reducing carbon footprint, minimizing waste, and using eco-friendly materials and packaging. Companies are also exploring alternative transportation methods, such as electric vehicles, to reduce their environmental impact. Data analytics. With the increasing availability of big data and advanced analytics tools, logistics companies can now analyze vast amounts of data to gain insights into their operation. This helps them identify patterns and trends, optimize their supply chain processes, and make data-driven business decisions.